Hi, outside Rusted Junk Garage. Today, we've got a Volvo key fob for a 2001 Volvo S80 that's not functioning properly. Let's figure out why. Well, we got the Volvo key fob here. It's no longer opening the doors, so could be a battery issue. So let's see if we can get this battery out. I don't know what that is. I tried a few different Allen heads and was unsuccessful. So the old flat blade. All right. And that little thing I'm going to set way back there, because if I don't, it won't be around. Okay, the keys are off. Okay, flips back. All right. There's our battery in there. Let's pop that out. And it's a 2032 3 volt. Find out. Multimeter and see what we can come up with here. It's showing me 3.1 volts. Oh. Take a look at these little contacts in here. They all appear to be reasonably clean. So I don't know what to think on that. I don't know whether I'm going to try another battery in there. Anyway, just to see, I'm going to get one and put it on the multimeter and see. But that one's showing me 3.1, so let's try that. All right. Got a fresh 2032 here. Now what I gotta do is figure out how to get it out of here. There we go. Okay, let's see what this one's gonna tell us here. Voltage wise. See, this is showing me 3.3 volts. So this one is definitely higher. We're gonna put this one in. See what happens. This is telling you here on there negative or positive down. So slip that in like that. There's our old one. Tabs on the back there. They kind of line up with these, but you know, I got this apart just from over the years of use. There's, you know, just a bunch of dirt and stuff around there. So I'm going to take a minute to kind of clean that out, and then we'll go from there. All right. Just had a little brass brush and kind of went around those and cleaned them both up. Batteries in, so gonna clean our work area up here a bit. See about getting this thing back together. Little tabs lined up on there. And then you got to get the keys in, and then you snap it down on there. Okay. In goes that little screw. We should be back together. Let's go find out if this works. I got the Volvo key fob all back together with the new battery cleaned up. Should be good. Let's go over here and see how this is going to work. Lock. Unlock. Does it activate the lights? Let's see there. Unlocked. There it is. Back together, new battery. Should be good to go for a couple more years.